Namaste and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I cannot believe I get to say this again after a break of 8 months, and here again we start with our YouTube videos. So this one is the most requested, wherein you all wanted to see the terrace. So I'm going to take you all through my terrace, whatever I'm doing and how does it look. So come on, let's get started. So as soon as you open the door, this is what it looks like. We have three sides, the middle part over here, that side and this side. I'm going to first take you all to my favorite side, which is this side, where I have created a lot of structures, DIYs. So chalo, let's get started. Before that, what you see over here, let me give you a quick overview. So all these are the spider plants, and all the hanging planters which you see are again DIY. Nothing was purchased from the market. So now chalo, we will start from that side. Come on in. So over to this side we have all the flowering plants जिनको mostly इतनी धूप की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. So यहाँ से normally इनके पास में shade आता रहता है and they do good in summers. And then as you come towards over to this side, यहाँ पे again थोड़ा कम sun आता है, तो मैंने यहाँ पे जो herbs वगैरह है जिनको कम धूप की ज़रूरत होती है मैंने वो रखी है. This is your Thai basil, Italian basil and Thai basil, which are doing good. इसमें से काफ़ी अच्छी खुशबू आती है. Come closer, I'll show you one really good plant. ये स्ट्रॉबेरी है which I am growing at home. So ये summers में भी आ रही है, इतनी बड़ी नहीं है क्योंकि normally ये winter plant है. But this is doing good. Over this side which you see, ये हमने last lockdown में बनाया था. Again ये सारी recycled bottles है, Pepsi और 7up जो green bottles आती है उसको काट के. This is your jute rope which is again zero waste. So this is decomposable, environment friendly. Over to this side is again all the set of plants जिनको बहुत कम धूप की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, बहुत कम और else moderate sun. इनके ऊपर हार्डली सुबह 2-3 घंटे के लिए सन आता है, डायरेक्ट सन, एंड देन पूरे टाइम में शेड रहता है. यहाँ पे दो बहुत बड़े गमले रखे हुए हैं. दिस इज योर चंपा प्लांट, प्लूमेरिया जिसको बोलते हैं, और समर्स में काफ़ी सुंदर फूल आते हैं इसके. दिस इज योर क्रिसमस. पता है हमने ये क्रिसमस बहुत छोटा लिया था, मे बी ये सिर्फ इतना साइज का था एंड ये अभी इतना बड़ा हो गया. दिस इज डूइंग रियली गुड. आई विल शो यू वन रियली गुड प्लांट जिसको हमने बचपन में पढ़ा था, ब्रायोफाइलम, जिसकी लीफ में से नई लीव्स निकलती. Oh, look at this beauty. This one looks so good. This is my staircase. Just look over here, this money plant is literally touching the ground, and this has been really good. थोड़ा सा leggy है but ठीक है, nonetheless it's good. Over to this side is again a jungle.
At this corner we have more ornamental plants like spider plants, Typhonbachia, more Sadabahar, a money plant, and few Ayurvedic plants like Giloy, Hadchor, Patarchatta.
And then just look at the top. मैंने ये बर्ड्स के लिए छोटा सा स्ट्रक्चर बनाया है. अभी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें इसमें ऐड करना बाकी है. This structure is also DIY, ये घर पे बनाया है. Over to this side we have this beautiful mogra. It has been around 1.5 years almost. And sadly अभी ये bloom नहीं कर रहा. Otherwise normally इसमें काफ़ी सारे buds और flowers रहते हैं. Now coming to this side of the terrace, the structure that you see on the wall to this side, this is again completely DIY, zero waste garden decor. Now coming over to this side of the terrace, यहाँ पे अभी काफ़ी कम प्लांट्स हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा धूप आती है, एंड नॉर्मली बिकॉज यहाँ पे कोई शेड नहीं है तो इसलिए मोस्टली प्लांट्स मर जाते हैं. सो मोस्टली यू विल सी ओवर हियर जो हार्डी प्लांट्स हैं या फिर जो वेजिटेबल प्लांट्स है वो यहाँ पर हैं. सो दिस इज़ माई compost सिस्टम ओवर हियर. I put your dry matter and all the waste from our kitchen in these compost. Side is again where I store all my dry matter जो कि garden waste वगैरह होता है. ठीक है. Over to this side are again few summer plants which can bear harsh sun. This is your moss rose or spendanas, again your portulaca. So this is a variety of spinach, Mexican spinach, and ये मैंने oil cans में उगा रखे हैं, which my papa got. So these are doing really good. This is a neem plant I got from a relative. Over here are some chili plants. And this is a structure, a kind of a fairy garden which I am trying to make currently of jade plants in a tub जो कि घर पे काम नहीं आता था. So this is how the garden looks, and we normally spend our evenings, especially during in the lockdown, क्योंकि everyone is at home, so we have a good, quality time over here. So I hope you liked it.
If you did, please do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.